Dealing with the Libmat Library DLL runtime error interrupting your software? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've diagnosed the fix for this library conflict. Before starting the detailed Libmat library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Libmat library, the MATLAB Data Matrix library. It provides unmanaged localized routines for reading and writing localized.mat data files, mandatory for localized scientific data sync shims between localized applications. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Libmat serves as a critical internal bridge for MATLAB MAT-File Library features, and you should download the latest version of your host program where you encountered the error to replace any truncated or damaged binaries to resolve the launch error. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Libmat library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Replacing Libmat library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing Libmat library-related system data. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Libmat library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.